Hello everyone, welcome back to Makeup Mistress. Well, I'm back with another review of this newly launched product. This is the Fit Me from Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder, and yes, I'll be talking everything about this in this video. So yes, this is newly launched in Nykaa and I got this from Nykaa itself. So this is the Fit Me loose powder. So Fit Me had previously their foundations, their concealers, and now they have launched their loose powders. They also have their pressed powder, but then this was really needed, and this is in the shade medium, 25 medium, and this shade I hoped and I got this, and yes, this is perfectly my shade, and they have more 6 shades, I guess like two to a total of 6 shades they have launched, and they are quite suitable for our Indian skin tones. And let me talk about the packaging. So this exactly looks like the Huda Beauty loose powder that Huda launched. That is also recent, and this actually resembles that, like, yeah, like 70%. So yes, this is also same plastic container, and you can see the color of the powder from outside only, and on the back it's written that mineral based formula helps control shine and smooth skin texture, lightweight translucent coverage. So it's like translucent, it won't give you any foundation effect or any color to your foundation. Fresh and natural look, yes, that is it, and can be used alone or over foundation. So this is a 20-gram pack, and the best part is it can be used till 24 months after you open this container. Let me just open this for you. So this is how it opens, and yes, I'll be applying this on my face, and yes, just go and check this out. So now I'll be doing my makeup with the Fit Me foundation, and I'll be using a sponge, a wet sponge, to blend this out. And after this I'll be using again the Fit Me concealer. So today I'm using all Fit Me, all Maybelline, so that I get the maximum effect of the loose powder. So I'll be using the concealer on the highest points of my face, just like so, and then blend with the same beauty blender that I used to blend my foundation. So today I'm using all Fit Me so that it's helpful for all you guys with oily skin tone, with Fit Me lovers. So yes, after blending this out, I'm using the Fit Me loose powder. I'm so excited. And yes, this opens like this. It has a film just to protect from spilling or stuff, so I have to just peel it out and then just tap it like so, because it's new and it won't come out. And then with the help of again the same sponge, I'll be applying. So this is just like baking, because I just want to see the effect, so I just used it as we use loose powders to bake our face. So as this powder promises to reduce, to control the oiliness from our skin, this is the way we should be using. And trust me, this powder is amazing. It gives amazing result, and it stays in place without getting your skin oily. And yes, after this baking, I'll just use some contour powder to contour my face, which is a must for me, for all chubby girls like me. And after this, I'll contour the jawline, the nose, the forehead, like the regular parts of the face which should be contoured. And yes, I'll just blend everything together so that my face gets a lift and a definition. Yes, contour is done. Now I'll dust the excess loose powder that is there. Yes, blend everything nicely. Today I'll be using a cheek tint, and yes, so that I get that flush of color, that healthy looking skin. And this is a highlighter from Miss Claire, and it has got that subtle glow. I just love this subtle glow. And I'll use Anastasia lipstick, like liquid lipstick. It is in the shade Ashton, and I got this from an Instagram seller, and it's the Beauty Lounge. It's of Garima. It's very famous, and I have also taken other things from her. Do visit her page on Instagram. Well, that is how I applied it, and I applied it with a sponge. You can use maybe a brush, so it is like absolutely your decision. So the 20 gram of powder is priced at rupees 695, which I don't think is like too expensive. Like, it's okay-ish, because the powder is really good. Like, I must say that I use a lot of drugstore loose powders, and as I said in my previous loose powder video that I never used any high-end brand before the Huda loose powder. After I used this loose powder, I must say that they have done a great job, and trust me, no one pays me, so I have no such thing towards any company, any brand. So I must say that even if they have copied the casing, the container, but the quality is amazing. It is superb. Like, the granule, the powder is really powdery. Like, you won't feel anything. Like, if you just touch this, like, it is exactly like any high-end loose powder would do. So it is amazing. I just absolutely love the finish, the way it blended all over. There is no patchiness, no disturbance, nothing at all. And now it's like 2-3 hours, like it's almost 3 hours now, and my makeup is just in place and no creasing and nothing. So at like 695 is a steal deal. And yes, this gets a 10 on 10 from me. Please go and get this one for yourself too, and I'll seriously highly recommend this to everyone, whoever is fond of loose powders. And if you are not, then different scene altogether, but if you are, then this product is amazing. So yes, with this I'll end today's video, and I hope this was helpful, as because I speak my heart out and no one is there behind to tell me what kind of review I should be giving. So I absolutely buy stuff that I feel that I should be getting one, and I'm really convinced to buy that and convinced to apply it onto my face, because I'm very skeptical about products applying onto my skin. And yes, I am not wrong in choosing the Fit Me Loose powder. So yes, do keep on watching Makeup Mistress. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do not forget to share my videos and spread this to everyone. And yes, see you super soon with some new content. Bye.